I just love Washington, D.C. I just love our nation's capital. I love the parks, the White House, the skyline, and the museums and the history that comes with it. But what I hate and what I despise is the inhabitants of D.C. I hate you lazy jackasses. I hate your corrupt politicians. I hate your little badass children. And I hate your horrible mothers. I hate that most of you are out of work failures. You people from D.C., you make me sick. You make my stomach turn and you make my blood boil. I am proud to be from Texas. I am proud to be a citizen of Houston. But I am not proud to share the same country as you. You are the scum of the earth. You people have ruined a once great city. These teachers should just go ahead and just burn to the ground and in its ashes. Texas and Texas alone will build an ambition, build a new empire. And speaking of people that I despise and I don't like anymore, Chris Kazama, I saw you knock out someone by the name of Josh Wright with your ripcord elbow, or should I say ham hock elbow. Yet all of you DCW loyalists, your dipshits, they think it's the best thing they have ever seen before in their life. But me, I can care less. I stand here in the darkness on my own 2 feet. I stand here defiant and I stand here confident. Chris, I hope you had fun at the minor leagues, because come spring break 2014, I am calling you out. I am challenging you to a Texas death match. So you bring your ripcord elbows, because there is no way out of Texas. And you bring your family, because I have no problem in delivering the 5th dimension to each and every one of them. And all of you, as a family, can be strolling through the gates of heaven. You see, Chris, you may be bigger than me, you may even be taller than me, but I will play the role of Goliath, and you can play the role of a little bitch named David. But this time, the roles will be reversed. But me, I will have the slingshot. And my slingshot will be the power of the ambition and the almighty state of Texas and the people behind me. Then, once it's all said and done, Chris, you will understand why they call me the walking, talking, breathing, living, real-life embodiment of doomsday. Burn it all. I'm gonna burn you. Destroy everything. I'm gonna destroy you from within. So it is written. So shall this be your ending.